Almost every wave in the ocean is born in the atmosphere from wind in a far-off storm that generates swell that makes a wave. But some waves are not born in the atmosphere. They're born from changes in the hard rock of Earth. Let's talk about tsunamis. I want to begin by talking about all the different ways you can make a tsunami. You're probably most familiar with an earthquake tsunami, when Earth's crust is displaced and the water sitting on top of that crust is either raised or lowered, and that wave propagates out from the epicenter, creating a tsunami. This has been the archetype for the majority of the most destructive tsunamis in modern history, but not all of them. A tsunami can also be triggered by a landslide. The tallest wave recorded in modern history was an erosion tsunami. In the 1950s in Lituya Bay, Alaska, there was a rock slide so large that it made a wave that reached 524 meters. The scar of this tsunami is still visible from space. But the biggest, scariest, craziest tsunami, in my humble opinion, is a falling meteor mega tsunami. Some of you may remember that a meteor 66 million years ago wiped out the dinosaurs, but what you might not have realized is that the impact of that meteor around what is now present-day Gulf of Mexico created a tsunami which rippled around Earth. But allow me to take us back to present day. Now, if you look at a map of the most recent tsunamis, you will see that they border the Pacific Ocean. Look at another map, and you'll see it's not just tsunamis, it's volcanoes, it's earthquakes. Why is that? It's the Ring of Fire. Yes, the Ring of Fire. This is where oceanic crust is slipping underneath continental crust. And this can do a couple of things. It can make volcanoes, it can make deep ocean trenches, and it can make powerful earthquakes that trigger tsunamis. Japan's history shows the full force of being on the Ring of Fire. They, in fact, had a magnitude 7.5 earthquake yesterday. It didn't trigger a tsunami, but in 2011, they weren't so lucky. On a March day, a magnitude 9 earthquake struck Tohoku, Japan, and triggered a tsunami which reached heights of about 40 meters. Tsunamis in any shape or form are terrifying. I much prefer when the atmosphere makes waves, not the earth.